Here's a quick video showing how to change the RAM on a MacBook Pro 17-inch. So I removed the screws right here, and I'm just going to remove the rest of them right now. Some of the screws are shorter than the others. Right, I just removed all the screws. Now we're just going to lift up this plate, the back plate, like so. And there you'll see the RAM that came with the MacBook Pro. And I'll just remove them. You hit those two plastic pieces and the RAM pops up. You just kind of slide them right out. Do that again, and it pops right out. And I'm about to insert the 4 gig crucial memories. Like so. They should just slide right in. And then you push down. And then install the last one. Crucial. 4 gigs each stick. Putting in the last one. Then pushing down, and they'll snap in place. Now that I put those in, we should be all good to go. And I'll just put the back plate back on. And put the screws back in, and that should be it. And that's how you install the upgraded RAM into the MacBook Pro 17-inch. Thank you for watching.